Ever feel like your houseplants are plotting against you? One day they're thriving, the next they're starring in a horror movie called The Withering. But don't worry, plant parent. I'm here to spill the soil on the sneaky mistakes that even the best gardeners make. Ready to turn your brown thumb green? Let's dig in. Mistake number 1. Watering your plant like it's on a strict gym schedule. Plants aren't robots. They don't want to drink just because it's Tuesday. Here's the real secret. Poke your finger in the soil. If it's dry, water away. If it's damp, step away from the watering can. Trust your plant, not your planner. Next time, check the soil before you pour. Your plant will thank you with a happy dance. Mistake number 2. Giving your plant a mansion when it wants a studio apartment. Too big a pot means soggy soil and sad, drowning roots. Your plant's roots want to feel cozy, not lost in the wilderness. Go up just 1 pot size when repotting. If roots are circling the bottom, it's time for a change. Mistake number 3. Sticking your plant in the corner of doom. Most houseplants are sun lovers in disguise. If your plant is stretching like it's doing yoga, it's begging for more light. Use your phone's light meter or just move your plant closer to a window. Bright, indirect light is the VIP lounge for most plants. Mistake number 4, ignoring the invisible enemy. Dry air, crispy leaf tips. Your home's air might be drier than a stand-up comedian's punchline. Most houseplants want 40 to 60% humidity, not desert vibes. Try pebble trays, plant buddies, or a cute humidifier. Grouping plants together is like a spa day for them. Mistake number 5, turning your plant into a fertilizer junkie. More food doesn't mean more growth. It can mean a trip to the plant ER. Too much fertilizer burns roots and leaves your plant crying for help. Half strength, half as often. Spring and summer only. Let them nap in winter. Feed smart, not hard. Your plant will reward you with lush, happy leaves. So, soil check, right-sized pots, proper light, humidity love, and smart feeding. Now you're a certified plant whisperer. Which mistake or mistakes were you making? Or do you have a quirky plant hack? Drop it in the comments and join the Green Thumb Club. Want to share it with us on your favorite social media? Use #Rhokins Homestead. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for hanging out with me at Rhokins Homestead, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Let's dig in and grow together. Happy gardening!